So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add Tether USD to your wallet here on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press on the home page. Once you're here at the top where it says add funds, go ahead and select that. Now, once you're here, you can go ahead and add Tether USD simply just by scrolling down. So in this case right here, Tether USD. You can also go to the top here and just type in Tether, just like this. And there's a bunch of different options for you guys, but for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and use the one at the top here. Now, once you're on this page right here, you can actually see how much money in regards to Tether USD you want to add to your wallet. So if you wanted to do 100, you can do that. You can do 20. You can do 25, whatever the case may be. And right below where it says Apple Pay, you can actually go ahead and switch that to Apple Pay or debit or credit, and you can see how much USDT that's going to be. And if all looks good to you, go ahead and press continue. Then once you're on this page right here, simply go ahead and verify your identity. Once that is done, press continue and then proceed with the next steps that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to add Tether USD to your wallet on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.